Don't worry, you'll have fun here. It's almost Halloween. That's the best time to be a ghost. We spend the night scaring people.
Really? I do like pranks. Where'd Joss go? She'll miss Halloween this year.
Sometimes ghosts move on.
She's gone?
Don't look sad. It's a good thing. More of us will come soon. They always do.
This house really is haunted. I guess it's just us this year.
I wonder how many we'll scare. Oh, the first group is... here. There won't be any trick-or-treaters in this storm. Maybe that's for the best. Monster! No, wait. It's just a guy. I could prank him. He looks cold. It's mean to scare him if he just wants to get out of the storm. Huh?
Is there firewood?
Was he looking at me? Why would I think that? No one can see me. Hey! I liked that chair.
It's not like you can use it.
You can see me! I don't think it's good to burn that. The finish on the wood is probably toxic.
I can't get sick.
So when you say you can't get sick,
Why are you still hanging around?
where else would I go?
The beacon that was here has burned out.
Beacon? Whoa. How did you do that?
I was born of fire.
What?
If you're still here even after that beacon has burned out, that means you're not lost. But you're still not ready to move on.
I could make you a Karen.
What's a Karen?
An act of magic here might be enough to reignite the beacon.
Seriously, what's a Karen?
Like me.
That doesn't clear anything up. Wait, would I be able to moodily smash up chairs?
If you're tired of being a ghost, come with me.
Huh?
There.
It's very nice.
Your new body. Get in.
Excuse me? You know, the mysterious act gets old pretty quick. Are you going to explain any of this to me?
It's to tether you back to the physical world. You need something malleable, like clay or mud.
Or snow?
Whatever will work.
I'm not gonna look like this, am I?
Not unless you keep annoying me.
Huh? Was that a joke?
I'm already regretting this.
But to be clear, I'm not going to look like this?
No.
Huh?
But you will likely always hold winter in your heart.
I can feel your hands.
Hold still.
Huh? Huh? I'm solid! Oh! Whoops, sorry. Wait, does that mean I have magic? Snowball!
I'm going to leave now.
No, you aren't. Because you're lonely. I would know.
Let's go find some lost souls.
And prank people?
No pranking.
I'll take that as a strong maybe. Whoa, is the house glowing? Is that the beacon thing you were talking about? You're kind of the silent type, aren't you?